Imagine walking into your local hardware store and watching a robot not just standing still, but actually walking, crouching, reaching, and carefully picking out an exact item from a crowded shelf, using its whole body just like you would. Not a pair of stiff robotic arms bolted to the floor, but a full humanoid robot moving with grace, coordination, and intelligence. That scene is a lot closer to reality than you might think, thanks to a groundbreaking leap from Google DeepMind. Today, we're diving into their latest AI revelation, Gemini Robotics 2, the brain that might just change what robots are capable of forever. If you're fascinated by the future of robotics, hold on, because what we're about to cover sets a new standard in AI-powered movement. Before we get into how robots are learning to move like humans, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into tech breakthroughs, and drop a comment. Let us know what you think about robots becoming more human-like. All right, let's get started. Google DeepMind, arguably the beating heart of AI research at Google, has just revealed the next generation of their robotics AI model, Gemini Robotics 2. Their previous model was already impressive. It could control a humanoid robot's upper body, allowing precise arm, wrist, and hand movements. But that's only half the story. Robots still needed humans to roll, guide, or steady them. The upper body was smart, but the legs, the feet, the core, they were basically along for the ride. Gemini Robotics 2 changes that game entirely. According to Google DeepMind's own announcement, this new AI model can now handle whole-body motions. That means full coordination from the tips of a robot's fingers all the way down to its toes, walking, crouching, stretching to reach devices on high shelves, and manipulating objects on the fly. And this isn't just theory or hype. Google's shared videos of Apptronik's Apollo 2 robot in action, and it's wild. In one clip, Apollo 2 bends over, perfectly balances itself, and picks up a watering can off the floor. No tipping, no jerky movements, just smooth, coordinated motion. In another sequence, you see the robot scanning a shelf, spotting a baseball glove, and taking it out carefully, without knocking over everything else in the process. That level of dexterity, combined with the ability to navigate a physical space, is a major milestone. Why is this such a big deal? If you look at most robots today, they're incredibly specialized. Factory robots weld, paint, or sort. But ask them to walk across a cluttered room or assemble furniture, and you'll see sparks, or just a whole lot of confusion. Most bipedal robots struggle with basic balance or get fixated on predefined motions. But with an AI model like Gemini Robotics 2, the difference is in adaptability and autonomy. Robots can learn to move, adjust, and function like humans, but with the consistency and reliability industrial automation is known for. Let's break down the technical leap for a second. Whole body intelligence is what sets Gemini Robotics 2 apart from its predecessor. Think about what's involved. Walking while holding something fragile, crouching to reach a low shelf, stabilizing your body as you pick up something heavier than expected. Humans do this without thinking, but for a robot, each of those tasks involves complex calculations around center of gravity, foot placement, grip strength, and joint flexibility. Controlling just the arms is manageable. But the second you add legs, balance, and weight shifts into the mix, things get exponentially trickier. Google DeepMind tackled this using what they call end-to-end learning. The AI doesn't just memorize how to move its arms and legs separately, it learns to control the entire body as a unified system, sensing feedback from each part, adapting in real time, and coordinating movements for stability and success. That means you can ask a robot to perform tasks it's never explicitly programmed for. For instance, go over there, pick up the watering can, and water the plant. The robot uses Gemini Robotics 2 to plan the motions, get there safely, adjust its posture, manipulate the can, and even react if something's out of place. Now here's where this gets even more interesting for you, because the applications go far beyond a hardware store demo. Picture a warehouse where robots don't just move boxes on a fixed conveyor path, but actually navigate cluttered aisles, step around dropped pallets, and adjust their grip based on the weight of what they're picking up. Picture a hospital where a robot assistant can steady itself while handing off supplies, or a home care setting where a robot helps someone recover mobility by physically supporting them. Step by step, without a rigid script to follow. Whole body intelligence isn't just a cool demo. It's the foundation for robots that can actually operate in the messy, unpredictable spaces where real work happens. That raises a fair question, though. What about safety? The more autonomy you give a machine, the more it needs to reliably sense its environment and course correct in real time. A slip on a wet floor, a person walking into its path, an object that's heavier than expected. Google DeepMind's end-to-end approach is built specifically to handle those in-the-moment adjustments, which is a very different challenge than executing a pre-programmed motion. That's exactly why this is being tested carefully in controlled environments before it shows up in your local warehouse or hospital. It's a massive step toward general-purpose robotics. Imagine robots handling logistics in warehouses, helping out in hospitals, or providing support in homes for the elderly, all with the ability to safely navigate unpredictable environments. Let's be clear though, we're not saying fully independent robot butlers are here yet. But this leap in whole-body intelligence means we're advancing way beyond the age of stationary pre-programmed bots. Now, AI-powered machines can perceive, plan, and execute even as conditions change. So what does this mean for you? The implications reach into every industry: manufacturing, healthcare, logistics, emergency response. Down the road, this could mean robots collaborating alongside people, not just as tools, but as flexible, reliable partners capable of handling the unexpected. And yes, one day, maybe even helping you retrieve that jar of pickles from the top shelf. Google DeepMind is still actively developing and testing this technology, looking at how AI models like Gemini Robotics 2 can integrate with different robot bodies, sensors, and workplaces. Over time, you're going to see more robots not just existing in the background, but interacting with the world the way humans do, opening up new opportunities and bringing all new challenges too. So, what do you think? Are you ready for AI-powered humanoid robots walking among us and lending a hand at work and at home? Let us know in the comments below. Is this the next big leap, or are you still skeptical? Before you go, check out the related video on your screen for more insights into the latest breakthroughs shaping the future of artificial intelligence. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share to stay up to date with the biggest AI developments, emerging technologies, and industry trends. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you in the next one.